So here we are using the white sheet and using this green leaf to make a different kind of animal, as you can see in the video, using the sheet, a green sheet, to make the greenery, and it's ready. In the next we are filling the black sheet with this green color and putting this bushy like structure, and now using the white sheet to make a baby bird. In the next again we are going to use a real leaf. So just we are crushing it up and putting it on the downward side of the sheet, using the clay to make an ant, like that. Beautifully done. After this done, we are again using the real leaf to make a plant. In the next we are using this real leaf again to make a turtle, which is having a cap, putting small leaf over it to make the bird. Now crushing more leaf to make the ground, and it's ready. In the next we are using our hand, cut it up in the shape of the hand and put it all together over the black sheet. Now making the face. So any guesses what it is? It's a peacock. In the next we are using here a colorful sheet and making a cut into the small pieces. Now putting all the stuff over the sheet in this way, so you will get another way of tree is ready. Now it's time to make the bird. Yellow bird is ready. In the next we are using here a peanut shell as well as walnut shell. Now stuffing the each shell with this clay and putting all over the sheet, so you will get a flower shape like structure is ready. Now using the green line to make the stem, using this yellow and orange color to make a flower, using another walnut shell to make the bug is ready. In the next we are going to use this orange peel to make a bird over the sheet. A chirping bird is ready. Nicely done. In the next we are using our brush to make a greenery in this way and using this earbud to make the flower over the greenery. Now using this egg sheet to make a bee, a winking eye bee that is buzzing on the ground, and it's ready. In the next we are using here a sheet to make a small outfit and finishing it with this white sheet on its collar and on its waist, using the clay to make the button. It's ready. In the next we are going to use this fruit cover and putting it around this bottle piece in this way to make a bag. Now using this clay to make a flower, a basket is ready. In the next we are making a line in this way, as you can see, and putting the white sheet that is shaped like a basket. Now putting the clay, brown and yellow clay, you will get a sewn seed in the basket is ready. In the next we are using here a white clay and putting it over the white sheet. Now using this peanut shell to shape it like a flower, putting the red, yellow and orange colors, and now you will get that how it is ready. Beautifully done. In the next we are using clay to make a number 2022. Now using the sheet and putting in this way to make a candle, or you can say the lamp. It's ready. So I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching.